morning to all. Today we discussion on transformer and how it is working. First we study what is transformer. What is transformer? Transformer is a static device. Means static means it has no moving parts. So it is called a static device or equipment. It is used for either raising or lowering the voltage, means it increases or decreasing the voltage, so with a corresponding decrease or increasing current. It is essentially consists of two windings, means there is two windings, that is one is primary winding and another is secondary winding. What is primary winding? When we connected a supply, three-phase supply to the transformer in which side, that is called primary side, and in which side we connected load, that is called secondary side. Generally the alternating voltage, that is primary voltage V1, means let's primary voltage named as V1, whose magnitude is to be changed, is applied to primary. Depending upon the number of turns, the primary N1 and secondary number of turns N2, and alternating EMF E2 is induced in the secondary. This induced EMF E2 in the secondary causes a secondary current I2. Consequently, terminal voltage, that is secondary voltage V2, will appear across the load. Next, transformer is two types generally as per voltage, number of turns, EMF, induced EMF. So if secondary voltage is greater than primary voltage, that is called step up transformer. If primary voltage V1 is greater than secondary voltage V2, then it is called step down voltage, step down voltage or step down transformer. Okay. Next, generally we study transformer, some importance of points on transformer. The transformer actions is based on the laws of electromagnetic induction. There is no electrical connection between primary and secondary winding. There is only connection only magnetically. That is, the AC power is transformed from primary to secondary through the magnetic flux. There is no change in frequency, that is, output power has the same frequency as input power. The losses that occurs in a transformer are core losses. Core losses also two types, that is eddy current losses and hysteresis losses. And second one is copper losses, which is having in the resistance of the winding. In practice, these losses are very small, so that output power is nearly equal to input powers. In other words, transformer has very high efficiency, nearly equal to 97%. So in all electrical equipments, transformer having high efficiency. Thank you.